OtterBoxes on those 15 years ago, so they were in pristine shape. Those 4s.
What?
We powered them up and made the transaction.
Oh wow. Yeah. I see. So you're giving this as a gift?
Yes, one of them is going to one of my best friends, and the other is going to my sister.
Oh, okay.
And my best friend, she has an old Android that's got a,
Whoops. Okay.
it's got a cracked face, and it can barely charge properly anymore.
Yeah.
Are those parts of my phone on the floor?
No, no.
Oh, good. I was starting to worry.
Yeah.
And my sister, I think she has an iPhone 7, and she needs a lot of help. She's got a birthday coming up. It's going to be perfect timing for her birthday.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. She had a stroke recently, so she just needs all the help she can get at this point.
I see.
If she can get something with a reasonable camera on it, those three lenses on the back kick ass when it comes to being able to do a close-up.
That is true.
So it'll be a huge upgrade for both my friend and my sister.
How can I help you?
So the guy at Verizon gave me this card so that maybe I can get $10 off.
Yes, yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So
What's going on?
So these are the 2 iPhone 13 Pros that need batteries replaced.
Okay, okay. So you went in there, you were not, are you trading this in?
No, actually I'm going to give them to friends,
Okay.
family, and
Oh, I see. Okay.
and so they wiped the phones.
Oh, okay. So you thought maybe they could do the repair? Is that what you thought?
No, I thought you could do that.
Yes, of course we could do it. Yeah. I'm
No,
saying
I'm
you went to
saying that-
Verizon.
Well, because that's where I upgraded to a 16 Pro, and so
Okay.
I wanna hand these off to family or friends,
I see. Okay.
and
Okay.
the batteries are not at their best, and so I want to give them phones with good batteries,
I see.
and
Yeah.
Connor at Verizon at the Admiral store recommended you.
Okay,
So
that's
that's
good.
why I'm here, is because Connor's recommended you.
Yeah.
I thought you'd want to know that he was speaking highly of you.
Yeah, he's a good guy. Yeah.
Of them, set a really good example for them as they enter young adulthood.
I see.
Yeah, but
Okay. It's ready.
cool. Outstanding. Cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.